Hello dear friends, this is Rohit from ASTRO-DOWSING channel. It is very important to convey you that there is an interactive panel where you can update your status. And at the same time, if you are in touch with us, we are going to suggest you favorable frequencies according to your position and health status. You need to brief your entire ailment and your sufferings. You have to send your date of birth, time of birth, everything, and your photo. I'm showing you how it is possible. In this website or in the app, same kind of things are available. You can go and click the My Account, then My Profile, then name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and photo. You have to fill the form. You have to fill this registration form here, where you have to write your name, time of birth, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and photo. Then you have to go to support. Here, you have to raise a ticket and you can write whatever the ailment you have, whatever the problem you have or you are suffering, and we'll check. We will give you necessary suggestion. You can go anywhere. You can take all the necessary support of the frequencies. These are very favorable frequencies. You can take support of everything. But if you are in touch with us, we can definitely try to support you with the compatible frequencies. So your update, your regular update, always keep helping us to give you a better suggestion. You can search here sleep. Lots of sleeping segments are there. So we can go to sleeping segment, special sleeping segment. We can go here and then we can use this sign. So whenever we will go and search it in this favorite section, you will get that already that thing is there. So this is the way you can send your trouble and we can give you our suggestion. Again, I am saying you have to go to My Account, you have to go My Profile, and you have to go to Support, and then you can raise a new ticket. And if this problem is solved, then you can close the query. You can close the query accordingly. Okay? I always repeat one thing, that healing is not a substitute of medical process. It supports medical process and any kind of treatment. It may be homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, any kind of. So if you come and start using it, you will get benefit by raising a new ticket, and we will try to reach you by suggesting your favorable frequencies. Hope you will understand and start enjoying this website and application eventually. Thank you so much.